Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Jai.Lashay and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. So it is time, as you've read by the title, I'm about to do a hotel review to show y'all where we are staying. So I'm gonna step out and babe is actually gonna give y'all the tour. I'm not gonna do like me on MTV. So this is right outside of our room. Big palm trees, period. I'll clean another room. So we are about to knock on the door. He's so petty. He's right by the door. What you mean, who is it? Open the door. MTV.
Hey girl. What's going on now? Come on in, let me show you what we got going on over here.
Got the people in the hallway listening to me crazy. Who is it? You petty. Okay.
Come on in there. Oh, I didn't even know that light was right there. Come on in here, y'all. We got this kitchen right here. Looking real good. Everything stainless. Looking real clean. Check it out. And we got a dishwasher. That's lit. Oh, wait a minute. Here we go. Washer and dryer. Let's go. Could they be like, come on, follow me to the next room. We ain't gonna do that just yet. There's a little dining area. We got a little bar if you want to sit down. The dining area right here. We're gonna play some spades, some dominoes or something. Go ahead and get it in where you fit it in. Nice little picture right here.
Central air. Can't forget the central air.
Look at that closet. Look, you can do your laundry. Go ahead, do your thing. Come on in through here. Watch the luggage now. We just got here. You got your front room with the pull-out bed and the sofa. You get your two look. This is a chair where you sit down and drink some coffee.
Oh my God.
That's what you do right here. Yeah, that's one of them. Nice little, probably about a 55 or 65 inch, probably. One of those two. But yeah, that's nice. Come on. Let me show you something. You all the way out here. Nice little view. Little pool vibes.
Yeah, it's a screen right here. So it's not gonna look as clear, but yeah.
Pool vibes, okay. They could put us up higher, but it's alright.
And then they also have a patio, saying he's skipping stuff.
Oh yeah, patio, all that good stuff. One back in the house. Now we going into the upper room. Come on in there. We got your nice little floor to ceiling in here, so if you just
Balcony doors. You can walk out the balcony right there.
and nice little desk right here. Big old bed.
Alright, just can't take black people no more.
Yeah, most definitely so. Nice little 42 right here. I think this is a closet too. It's locked, so guess we ain't supposed to go in there. Nice little vanity or little look at me, and then if you look at me behind me, big old tub. It's gonna get used tonight. That's a fact. Come in here. We got the urinal. You got that. You got your nice little stand-up shower. Everything's straight, man. Everything's straight. It's nice though. I like it.
Double vanity.
I like it.
Well, yeah, y'all. That is our villa tour. We are staying. Hold on. We are staying at the Marriott Grand Vista.
Yeah.
And we booked the 1-bedroom villa. So if you come into Orlando, you think about bringing the kids, You want to get something that's not super expensive, because a lot of them places is super expensive and had super expensive resort fees. They didn't have all of that going on here. And they gonna try to get y'all like they got us. But for $250, we did it. So Sunday, we will be going to a 90-minute timeshare presentation. We ain't gotta sign up. You know, you ain't obligated nothing. But for $250, and they gave it to us today on a debit card. Now, don't try to not go, because they make you swipe your card that you use to check into the room for your deposit. Just in case you spend the money and don't come, they gonna get their money, their $250 back. So yeah, because I sure thought about it. But y'all, we just brought these big heavy bags in here and all of that. So don't forget to watch my other videos that I've been posting. I don't know what order these videos are gonna go up in, but make sure you subscribe and watch the vlogs and the videos. We got a lot of stuff planned while we are out here. We are here for a couple days. I think we are here from Friday to Tuesday, or Friday to Wednesday, whatever. So I will catch y'all in the next video. I need to actually go check on Peyton, because the girl did message me back and let me know how my baby was doing today. Check out the nails. Yeah, we got a little aura from my man. But child, I'm out of breath. And I use the elevator. That's the sad part. Them bags. That's the problem. But alright, y'all, I will catch y'all in the next freaking video.